Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rax Pinoy again. For this time I'm gonna try to do a toboggan or sledge. It's either way, they call it toboggan. So for now I've been mounted my GoPro so I can do a little bit nicer angle when I do the toboggan. I'm wearing my toque, I wear my goggles for protection. I'm wearing also winter jacket to keep me warm, and I'm wearing also a snow pants here. See? In order to keep me warm, I'm wearing my boots also. Yeah, and I have also a sledge here, which we call it toboggan or a sledge. Looks like same height with me. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. So for now, stay tuned. Just bear with me. Some kids are now doing their sledge or toboggan. Some downhill right there. So this is the hill that we're gonna do sledge from here. Some are on the ground already. Some here. Yeah, they're enjoying because it's fun. So this is the right time to do because the weather is not too bad. It's the sun comes out. And it's just only +5 for now. So whether for the beginners, maybe this is the right time, perfect time for the beginners, just like me, because it's the first time that I wanna do a sledge or a toboggan. Don't push hard, huh?
So this is the front or the back?
The front.
The front?
Yeah. So hold it for now. So. I go like this?
Yeah, just hold it down there.
It's fun. out, watch out!